Hi friend, if you clicked on this video, most likely you want to start an online business. If that's so, that is fantastic. It can be a game changer, offering flexibility, freedom, and a chance to do something that you're truly passionate about. I have been down this road, especially designing and selling my own merch. And let me tell you, it is an exciting journey. Today, I want to walk you through the steps to start your own online business and share some of the awesome advantages. Are you ready? Let's dive in. First things first, you need a solid idea. Now, this might seem obvious, but it is crucial. Your business idea should be something you are passionate about and knowledgeable in. Think about what excites you. Is it fashion, fitness, technology, or even food? Passion will drive you through the tough times, and trust me, there will be tough times. When you are brainstorming ideas, start by listing your interests and skills. What do you really love doing in your free time? What are you good at? Maybe you are a fitness enthusiast who loves helping others get in shape. Or perhaps you are a tech whiz who enjoys solving tech problems. Your hobbies and expertise can be a gold mine for business ideas. Another great way to spark ideas is by identifying problems you and others face. Think about your daily life. What annoys you? What products or services do you wish existed to make your life easier? Solving a common problem can be a fantastic foundation for a business. For example, if you often struggle to find eco-friendly household products, you can start an online store dedicated to selling sustainable goods. Don't forget to research current market trends. Look at what's popular and growing right now. Platforms like Google Trends, Amazon bestsellers, and social media can provide insights into what people are interested in. However, make sure to choose a trend that aligns with your passion and skills. Chasing a trend you're not interested in can lead to burnout quickly. Talking to friends, family, and even potential customers can also give you valuable feedback. Sometimes, others can see strengths and opportunities that you may overlook. Ask them what they think about your ideas and if they would find such a product or service useful. Once you have a few ideas, start evaluating them. Ask yourself these questions. Is there a demand for this product or service? How competitive is the market? Can you differentiate yourself from the competition? And most importantly, will you enjoy working on this business day in and day out? Remember, a solid idea is the foundation of your business. It doesn't have to be perfect from the get-go, but it should be something that excites you and has potential in the market. Take your time with this step and don't rush it. A well thought out idea can make the journey much smoother and more enjoyable. One last tip, keep an open mind. Your initial idea may evolve as you gather more information and feedback. That is completely normal. Stay flexible and be willing to pivot if needed. The goal is to find a sweet spot where your passion, skills, and market demand intersect. Next, it is time to create a business plan. Don't worry, it doesn't have to be super formal, but it should outline your goals, your target audience, competition, marketing strategy, and financial projections. Think of it as your roadmap, guiding you where you are now and where you want to be. And remember, this plan isn't set in stone. You can tweak it as you go along. Let's break this down. The first part of your business plan is the executive summary. This is a brief overview of your business, your goals, and your mission statement. Think of it as a snapshot of your entire plan. It should be compelling and concise, grabbing the reader's attention. Your executive summary should answer these questions. What does your business do? What problem does it solve? What are your target customers? What are your business goals? And lastly, why is your business unique? Keep it short and sweet, 1 to 2 pages max. Next up is the business description. This is where you provide more detail about your business. Describe your industry, the current market landscape, and how your business fits into it. Explain your business model. Are you selling products, providing services, or something else? Also, talk about your vision and the values that drive your business. For example, if you're starting an eco-friendly clothing line, you may describe the growing trend of sustainable fashion, your unique approach to sourcing material, and your commitment to ethical manufacturing practices. Now, let's move on to the market analysis. This section is all about understanding your market. Who are your potential customers? What are their needs and preferences? Conduct a SWOT analysis, that is strengths, weaknesses, opportunities, and threats. Identify your competitors, analyze their strengths and weaknesses, and figure out how you can differentiate yourself. For example, if you are entering the fitness industry, research the latest trends in the workout routines, equipment, and wellness products. Understand your target demographic fitness goals and the pain points. This information will help you tailor your offerings and marketing strategies. Next is the marketing and sales strategy. This section outlines how you plan to attract and retain customers. Detail your marketing channels. Will you use social media, email marketing, SEO, paid ads, or all of the above? Describe your sales process from lead generation to conversion. For example, if you're planning to launch an online course, your marketing strategies may include creating valuable content on social media, running targeted ads, and using email marketing to nurture your leads. Describe any partnership, affiliates, or influencers you plan to work. Now, let's talk about setting up your online presence. This step is crucial because it is how your potential customers will find you. Here's how you can get started. First, you need a domain name. Your domain name should reflect your brand and be easy to remember. Keep it short, simple, and avoid using numbers or hyphens. Use domain registers like GoDaddy, Namecheap, or Google Domains to check the availability of your desired domain name and register it. Next, choose a platform for your website. If you're planning to sell products, Shopify and BigCommerce are excellent options. For services or content-based sites, WordPress, Squarespace, and Wix are popular choices. These platforms offer a range of templates and tools that can make building a professional-looking site straightforward, even if you're not a tech whiz. Once you have selected a platform, it is time to design your website. Choose a template that aligns with your brand and customize it to fit your needs. Make sure your site is user-friendly with easy navigation, clear calls to action, and mobile optimization. Your homepage should immediately convey what your business is about and what you offer. Don't forget essential pages like About Us, Contact, and any other pages relevant to your business, such as blog, services, or shop page. Your About Us page should tell your story and build a connection with your visitors. The contact page should make it easy for customers to reach you with a contact form, email address, and social media links. If you're selling products, setting up an online store is a must. Upload high-quality images of your products, write detailed descriptions, and set your prices. Make sure to set up a secure payment gateway like PayPal or Shopify payments to process your transactions. Clearly outline your shipping and return policies to build trust with your customers. Social media is a powerful tool for reaching broader audience and driving traffic to your website. Create business profiles on platforms like Instagram, Facebook, Twitter, and LinkedIn. Each platform has its unique strength, so choose the ones that best align with your business and where your target audience spends their time. Start by posting engaging and valuable content that resonates with your audience. This could be blog posts, videos, or behind-the-scenes looks at your business. Use consistent brand voice and be authentic across all platforms. Interact with your followers by responding to their comments, messages, and participating in relevant conversation. Building an email list is another critical aspect of your online presence. Offer something valuable like a free ebook, a discount, or exclusive content in exchange for a visitor's email address. Use email marketing platforms like Mailchimp, ConvertKit, or Constant Contact to manage your list and send newsletters, promotional offers, and updates. Search engine optimization is vital for driving organic traffic to your website. Use tools like Google Keyword Planner to find relevant keywords for your business and incorporate them into your website's content. Meta descriptions and headers. Regularly update your site with fresh, valuable content to improve your search engine rankings. Finally, set up analytics to track your website's performance. Google Analytics is a powerful tool that provides insights into your site's traffic, user behavior, and conversion rates. This data will help you understand what is working and where you can make improvements. Setting up your online presence may seem overwhelming at first, but take it step by step. Each element plays a crucial role in attracting and retaining customers. With a well-designed website, active social media profiles, and effective SEOs and email marketing strategies, you'll be well on your way to building a successful online business. So there you have it. Setting up your online presence involves a lot of planning and hard work, but the advantages make it all worthwhile. Remember to stay passionate, do your research, and keep your audience at the heart of everything you do. If you do that, you will be on your way to building a successful online business. Now, let's talk about the advantages of starting an online business. First off, the startup costs are relatively low. You don't need to rent a physical space or hire a large team right away. A computer, a good internet connection, and a small budget for marketing can get you started. Another huge advantage is its flexibility. You can work from anywhere, from your home, cafe, or even when you're traveling. This freedom is one of the main reasons why many people choose to start an online business. It allows for a better work-life balance and gives you more control over your schedule. Scalability is another benefit. With an online business, you can easily scale your operations. As your customer base grows, you can expand your product range, hire more people, even automate certain tasks. This scalability is much harder to achieve with a traditional brick and mortar businesses, just like a restaurant. And let us not forget about the potential for high profits. Online businesses can reach a global audience, meaning you're not limited to your local area. With the right marketing strategies, you can attract customers from all over the world, increasing your revenue potential significantly. Customer interaction is also a lot easier online. You can use chatbots, social media, and email to communicate with your customers instantly. This not only improves their experience, but also allows you to gather feedback and make improvements quickly. Plus, there is the convenience of managing everything online. From processing orders to handling customer service, everything can be done from your computer. This streamlines operations and saves you a ton of time. But like any other venture, it is not all sunshine and rainbows. There will be challenges. You'll need to stay updated with the latest trends, manage competition, and continuously engage with your audience. But if you're dedicated and persistent, the rewards can be amazing. So there you have it. Starting an online business involves a lot of planning and hard work, but the advantages make it all worthwhile. Remember to stay passionate, do your research, and keep your audience at the heart of everything you do. If you do that, you're well on your way to building a successful online business. If you got any value in this video, smash the like button, subscribe to the channel if you've not done that yet. Share this video with your friends, family, and any other person. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next video.